how can we inspire that next generation? Because you talked about earlier, like, you know, kind of you get a lot from seeing them, that fresh ideas, all of that kind of sort of creativity come. How can we inspire the next generation to thrive?
I've already started, in a way, at the university. So I go in, I get asked back each year to deliver a tutorial session to HR students. And I think that's really, really important because HR, they're often seen to hide behind processes. And I want to bring the human back into human resources. So forget your processes and your policies and all the rest of it. Have a human conversation first with a person. So we take student placements as well. So it's about just trying to inject a little bit of that compassion, that not everything is as it seems all the time. Don't judge a book by its cover. Be flexible. Don't hide behind processes and policies, all those sorts of things. So we're also in the process of working with mental health student ambassadors as well at the university. And we are going to be doing a specific project around that transition from education to employment, because that's huge culture shock. And I think there's a lot to be done there around mental health and well-being and arming our young people with the skills to enter the workplace. And if they've got that sound knowledge and understanding, then by the time they get to be managers, they're going to have that ingrained in them.
It's exciting. So how can we widen that then from then the younger generation to then a more society shift?
Oh gosh, I know, I'm on a mission really. I don't think that generation are a lost cause because I have seen changes there in some of the companies that I've already mentioned, and that's brilliant when you see that. So I think just keep chipping away and just get the message across that everybody's got mental health.